in the car line here in my 1979 Caprice Classic. And if you'll look, I can't switch it, but anyways, this thing is loaded to the hilt. It's got an AM FM stereo system. It doesn't work. It broke down twice on the way over here, but Clint said all I had to do was put it in neutral and it would start. So I'm about to pick up the girls. Let's see what they have to say. Okay, I'm here at my daughter's school and I'm picking them up from school in a 1979 Caprice Classic. And I'm gonna tell them that I bought this car, and I'm waving at them right now. So they're gonna enjoy this new Caprice Classic. So here they come. We'll see how they respond. This car broke down on me twice on the way over here, but Clint Hollingsworth said all I got to do is put it in neutral and it would start right up, and it did. And I gotta, there's no automatic locks here, so I gotta lean over to unlock it. So here they come. I bought it.
No, you didn't.
What do y'all think?
You didn't buy this.
No, I really did.
This is horrible. Don't tell me you bought this car. What?
Like seriously.
This is like a joking. No,
Like seriously, in all seriousness, what's your first impression?
I hate this car.
I've never pick me up again. I'd rather go to extended day.
I would rather
Why?
die.
My
I would
God.
rather drive in a garbage
It's
truck.
horrible. It's like,
I would rather drive in a garbage truck.
Dad, are you joking?
No, I'm really not. Hey, we're trying to save money, so, but look, it's got AM FM radio, and whenever that light comes on,
Burning up.
well, it doesn't have AC, but you can put the windows down.
I hate this car.
Put the window down, you'll see.
Dad, you can be quiet. Fine. You can-
Mary, what do you think?
Dad, you can be quiet.
I could have a heat stroke in here.
Put,
This is the worst car.
put the window down. And
I
you'll,
hate
the AC turns on once you put the window
What
down.
the crap is this?
That's your cigarette, like where you put your cigarette butts right there.
Are you kidding?
Nope. And that is the controller for the air conditioner. You roll it down and the air conditioner turns on.
Are you? No, but like you're videoing it. So are you kidding?
No, I'm really not. We're trying to save money, live within our means.
this?
Clint Hollingsworth, thank you for the deal of a
No.
lifetime.
Do not. I do not thank you. I'm never riding in this ever again. Ever. I'm not even joking.
Hey, baby, we need to be thankful for the.
I'm not thankful. I'm not thankful.
How do you buckle?
I hate this car. And it doesn't even roll down all the way. So like,
How do you buckle?
Well, once you go, it gets like the.
this is the worst car. I hate this.
Hey, Mary, put down your window.
It's not even safe. It doesn't even have freaking seatbelts.
I know, but these are cushioned. If we hit something, your head hits right here. It's like an airbag.
I hate this car. It is that. Turn off the video. I hate this car. I hate this.
Hey, Ellie.
What?
Like, in all seriousness, are you really disappointed?
Yes. Like,
What do you think
What?
your friends will do?
no, they cannot see me in this flipping car. It's the weirdest car and the lamest car ever, Dad.
I'm not even joking.
What's so lame about it?
Are you seriously?
Have you seen the car?
Are you seriously asking that
It's like
question?
I
That's
am.
like the
Am-
70s.
Hey, y'all don't hurt. Like, is Mom? You don't think Mom will like this?
No, she's going to hate this, Dad.
Dad,
she's not going to ride in
kidding
this.
with me?
No,
You
and we're
roll
going.
the windows?
I told
It's got smaller space than the first car that we had, Dad.
We're going to the Sheffields, and we're gonna pick them up and go to the soccer game, and the Lunsfords.
Are you kidding?
We're gonna pick Mimi up.
Dad, we've got
Okay.
Stop!
Oh shoot, we're stopping.
Wait, are those some friends from school?
Shut up.
Well, we might as well get down here because there's no seatbelts.
I'm being serious. I want you to thank him.
I'm not thinking.
Thank the man that I bought the car
No.
from.
I want to scream out, I don't thank him. I'm the opposite of thanked.
Please. He was on the city council.
No.
I want you to thank him.
I don't want to thank him. This car is a junk pit. I'm not kidding you. It's got a cigarette, but for heaven's sakes.
What
Dad,
do you-
if this is a prank, yeah, I'm not. Do you see me laughing? I'm not laughing.
It's no prank. Here's the paperwork. And I got to go finish the paperwork right now. Mom is going to love this car. Look at how much
Dad,
room you
why
got.
in the world would you marry her if you thought that she would love this car? This is the opposite of her style. Mom's gonna.
I really don't
And if you think this is a good surprise, then you're out of your dang mind.
This is like Mother's Day. That's what I was waiting on Mother's Day to give her.
I would rather walk home. I don't think.
Alright, I want you to just thank him.
No.
He gave us a good deal on the car. Just say, it's
No.
not him, it's not him, it's a different guy.
I don't thank him. I'm the opposite of thank him.
You're not being grateful.
You're right. I'm not grateful. I'm not grateful whatsoever.
Are you grateful, Mary?
I'm speechless.
See? She's grateful. She can't even talk about how grateful she is.
I hate this car. I hate this car.
So now we are going to Coleman High School to pick him up. What do you think?
This is the worst car in the
Hold it,
world.
back down. Someone's gonna see it.
What the heck?
You're really funny, Dad, if you really did buy this. I'm never...
No, he really did.
I'm
I'm not joking.
Crappiest car.
I'm not joking. He really did.
Alright.
We even went
Hey,
by
wait. We all had a vote on, do y'all want to save money?
No.
I'll ride with Canada every day to school.
Holden, we even went by this little car shop thing and even signed off the.
He made us freaking say thank you for this old hag.
He said it's for Mom.
Hey, seriously.
Stop. Go home, Dad. You're about to tick me
Dad,
off.
you're
Go
gonna
home.
you're
And
gonna
stop
make
videoing this.
Dad, you're gonna make
Please.
someone show it.
You're gonna post it on
This
Facebook
is
because
what
you're
he
such
did
a
to
funny
us.
dad.
This is what he did to us. He was just like, oh yeah, it's gonna be so funny because I'm gonna post it on Facebook.
Well, Dad,
It's not funny,
Dad,
Dad.
you're no joke. You're the funniest guy. I've
Mom
ever
is
met.
going to hate this.
You're the
He
funniest
said
guy
it's
I've
for Mother's
Dad,
Day.
go. Someone's gonna see us.
Will you please go, Dad?
He's serious.
I like the
go.
car.
Whoa.
Look, it's got a
Dad,
cigarette.
nobody else likes it but you.
It's got a cigarette lighter right up there and ashtray right next to you over there. And you want air conditioning? Put down the windows.
There's
Look,
no air conditioning
Look.
in here.
put down the windows. You got air conditioning. The AC doesn't work
No.
here.
Dad, go.
And look, it has a
Someone's gonna see
clock.
us. Hold it. Nobody gives a Dad. Nobody gives a crap. Now just go.
Okay, hold on. So seriously, do you like it?
No. I think we've made it pretty clear that we haven't liked it,
I think
Dad.
you're just being a jerk right now, and you think you're the funniest guy ever. You're not at all, Dad.
Hey, who's that?
No.
Hey guys. It's got good trunk space.
Nobody gives a crap.